Hello, in this video we are going to see some C programs. In this program we have to enter three sides, that is sides of a triangle, side 1, side 2 and side 3, to find the largest side. That is, if side 1 plus side 2 is equal to sum, then the largest side will be side 3. If the sum is greater than large side, the triangle is a valid triangle. If the sum is lesser than a larger side, the triangle is invalid triangle. So basically the sum of the two sides should be larger than the largest side. So let's enter the sides of the triangle 24, 26 and 50. The triangle is an invalid triangle since the addition of two sides is equal to the largest side, and the triangle is the triangle is invalid triangle. And for the next program, we have to enter the three sides of a triangle S1, S2 and S3 to find which type of triangle is it. That is, if the S1 is not equal to S2 and S2 is not equal to S3 and S3 is not equal to S1, then the triangle is a scalene triangle. This triangle, none of the sides are equal, and for an isosceles triangle, two of the sides, that is S1 is equal to S2 and S2 is not equal to S3, or S2 is equal to S3 and S3 not equal to S1, or S1 is equal to S3 and S3 not equal to X2 must be satisfied. Any one of the conditions must be satisfied for an isosceles triangle. For equilateral triangle, all of the sides must be equal. For a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse must be equal to the square of the other two sides. That is given as three conditions, A, B and C. Let's given 40, 40, 50. Then the triangle must be an isosceles triangle. And this program is about determining the category of the weight. That is getting the input of weight, and if the weight is less than 115 pounds, then the category is flyweight category. If the weight is greater than 515 and lesser than 121, that is bantam weight category. And there are featherweight category, middle weight and heavy weight. If the weight is 169 pounds, then it is a middle weight category. If it's 190, then it's a heavy weight category. And if it's below 115, like 114, then it's a flyweight category. And for the next program, we have to calculate the body mass index, that is BMI, for which we require weight and height of the person. So we have to enter the weight in kgs and height in meters as input. The body mass index can be calculated using the formula weight divided by height into height. So if the body mass is less than 15, then it is starvation. Then if it is greater than less than 17, it's anorexic. It's less than 18.5, it's underweight. If BMI is less than 25, it's ideal. If the BMI is less than 30, it's overweight. And if it's greater than 40, it's obese. Less than 40, it's obese, and more than that, it's morbidly obese. If we enter the weight and height in meters. For this you can enter 2.3 or like for height person 3.2. Then the body mass index is 6.73 starvation. For the next program we have to find the greatest number of the three inputs given, but for this we are using the logical expressions like a question mark. If the as you can see, the ratio symbol, the is2 is used if the n1 is greater than n2. If n1 is greater than n2 is satisfied, then the condition is checked whether n1 is greater than n3 or not. If it is satisfied, n1 is displayed. If it not satisfied, n3. If the first condition is not satisfied, then n2, and it will go to the second, and the greatest number here given is 69 according to the output. And for the next program we have the salary calculation of the manager, accountant and clerk. We have to enter the salary amount as input, and if the salary is greater than 40,000, greater than or equal to 40,000 and greater than or equal to 25,000, then it's manager. If the salary is lesser than 25,000 and greater than or equal to 15,000, then it's accountant. If the salary is less than 15,000 or else it's clerk. For example, if you give 45,000, it's manager, and if you give 24,000, it's accountant. And if we give a salary which is less than 15,000, example you give 10,000, then it's clerk. In this program we are going to print the factorial of the given number. For this we have the input of num and I is equal to 1, and unsigned long int fact is equal to is initialized as 1. The unsigned long int is used to obtain the extremely long input, that is output, like the factorial numbers are greater if you give more the input, the more greater the value is. For example, if you give 10, the factorial of 10 is 3628800. Then if you give a factorial value 20, the value is displayed, and for 35 the value is more greater. So we used unsigned long int for this program. In this program we are going to find the ASCII value of the given input, not a given input, for every value, that is from 1 to 255 values, for each and every value of the ASCII value. We are going to print using this program, and the increment operator I++ is also used for incrementing every single time until the 255 is reached. If you run the program, some of the values are not displayed because of this compiler, but most of the values like symbols, numbers, alphabets, uppercase letters, lowercase letters and other symbols are also visible in the compiler.